Alright guys, welcome to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. You know what I mean? As a matter of fact, today another brand new day. I've got this one to show you. Watch this. And then people will be thinking, how can I make this Oshaprapra soap on my own way? Or how can I even make some whitening soap on my own way? Come on, y'all don't get it, no? Everybody trying to formulate something they don't know about. But this one, I know about it vividly. It's gonna go very, very well, perfectly, you know what I mean? So y'all looking for this to get, you can always call at me. Now I always there for you, the boss, you know what I mean? I keep saying this. But never mind, we talk about this. Watch this out now. All my fans in the YouTube, I keep telling you guys, drop your question. Now as for next week, I'm coming up live with you. It's retalk. I have to solve your problem. Is retalk about that. So check this out. You can use this for your Oshaprapra soap. Look at it. It's a whitening soap on its own. That yes, that it's not going to give you any rashes, any blemishes. It's really being well prepared, you know. So if you're making your soap or whatever soap y'all want to make, so long as whitening, you can pull this. Yep. And as for those of you y'all coming to my status to take some stuff and then you bounce back to me like you fighting me, you don't need to fight me. Like we just doing all that for you. Not you come back to fight me. What are you fighting me for? Like I put something in price on it, you don't like it, you go away, you go back from anybody. No, don't tell me how I should sell my things. Don't tell me. Because I know like way back when I started this new, everybody say, no, you just too high your price. No, yeah, because they're working, they're original. So why are you fighting me? Go ahead. I don't care about you. Yes, for that reason I don't care about you. But if really that you're not fighting me, I care about you, I love you all. You know what I mean? Okay, another one I want to tell you again, the YouTube aspect, like you want to train, you want a perfect trainee on how to make any of the product, you can always call out us also. You know, AYA Cosmetic Nigeria, we in for real. As a matter of fact, today I have a new class for you. What I want to teach today, anyway from now, we'll be going on air to tell you about your facial cream. You know what I mean? So that is that. So get this soap right now and get it mixed with all of your soap. It's going to help you. This is a pure whitening, pure whitening. You hear me? So what else? Nothing else. If you want to buy a recipe, be in the US, Canada, Asia country, Europe, haha, whatever you are, Africa country, I swear, you can, I swear, call this number on your screen. You know what I mean? For that reason, I'm about leaving you and living with this. I've got a lot of content for you. I've got a lot of product for you. We the best. Call out us. We don't say fake, original we say.